In this time, the landscape of making money passively is both exciting and accessible. As we explore these ideas, remember that each option requires a willingness to learn and adapt, setting you up for financial gains that enrich your life. Passive income is possible regardless of your starting point. Unlocking it could be just an idea away. Let's take a closer look at the idea number 1, print-on-demand digital products. This approach not only taps into the creativity of design but also allows you to sell without worrying about inventory storage. With platforms like Etsy and Gumroad, your designs can reach a wide audience, giving you a chance to earn money effortlessly as customers find your creations. When embarking on your print-on-demand journey, focus on creating high-quality digital products that resonate with a specific audience. Think about planners for busy professionals, journals for budding writers, or unique templates that simplify everyday tasks, products that fulfill a need and appeal to potential buyers. After crafting your designs, the next step is to upload them to your chosen platform, ensuring to optimize your product listings with relevant keywords and appealing visuals. This will enhance visibility, attracting more customers to your offerings. As orders start rolling in, the platform will manage printing, delivery, and customer service, allowing you to cash in on your creativity without daily involvement. Additionally, promote your products on social media. Sharing your designs can significantly increase exposure and sales. Moreover, regularly refreshing your product lineup can keep customers engaged, encouraging repeat purchases and sustainable income in the long run. Now that you've tapped into the world of print-on-demand, let's explore another promising passive income idea number 2, investing in dividend-paying ETFs or stocks. This method offers a more traditional route to generate income by simply holding shares in companies or funds that distribute cash dividends regularly. It's crucial to choose ETFs like VHY or SCHD, as they provide solid returns while minimizing risk compared to individual stocks. You can get started using user-friendly apps that allow you to buy fractional shares, making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of your budget. As you delve into the world of dividend investing, remember that consistency is key. By reinvesting your dividends, you're leveraging compound growth to amplify your returns over time. Initially, your gains may seem modest, but over the years, those seemingly small amounts can accumulate significantly, providing a robust source of passive income. Keeping an eye on market trends and dividend announcements can further enhance your strategy, ensuring you're making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Now let's move on to our third and final idea, affiliate marketing with platforms like YouTube or TikTok. When creating content for affiliate marketing, focus on delivering value to your audience. Whether you choose to make faceless videos or in-depth tutorials, the aim is to provide genuine insights that lead to product recommendations. This approach not only builds trust, but also encourages viewers to engage with your links, leading to potential earnings. When starting with affiliate marketing, it's essential to identify products or services that align with your interests and expertise, as this authenticity resonates with your audience. Ensure that your chosen items genuinely solve problems or enhance the lives of your viewers, establishing a connection that encourages trust and loyalty. By combining these strategies, you can create a sustainable system for earning passive income that grows over time. Embrace the journey and take action. Your financial freedom starts today, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals, setting you up for success in the years to come.